Okay, in order to find the inverse, there's a few steps that we need to follow. The first one is to rewrite our f of x equals x cubed minus 8 as y equals x cubed minus 8. The next step is to swap our x and our y, and that's exactly what we do on our inverse function if we're going to graph it. So if you have a function and you want to graph the inverse function, you swap all of your x coordinates and your y coordinates and regraph those points. So we're going to do this in our equation also. So x equals y cubed minus 8. So now we need to solve for y. And this is why that we get a cube root over the whole thing. The first thing we need to do is get the 8 together with the x. We want to isolate the y. So now we get x plus 8 is equal to y cubed. Now when we take our cube root on each side, it covers the entire x plus 8. And that's what happens there. And that's why it's the cube root of x plus 8 instead of just the cube root of the x. And then the plus 8 outside of that. And that's how you find the inverse. Hopefully this helps. But like I said, with graphing, it's good to remember that also, that you change out your x's and your y's, because if you do that for your points, then you can regraph and you've automatically gotten your the graph of your inverse. The steps again are to replace f of x with y. Then we swap our x and our y. And then we solve for y. I hope this helps.